So we start out today's video with 3 wooden hoops. So she glues them down. It looks like some kind of stand of some sort. Now I'm thinking with this project, she's making a candle holder. It's very like Z Gallery inspired. Wow. Oh, this came out amazing. Very cool project idea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this next one involves some plates. Oh, I think she might be making a vase with this design. Oh, that is cute. It's interesting, like it's flat and narrow. I like this vibe. Very cool. Definitely something different. So next up, it looks like we have an inspiration of some fabric wall art. So she's using an old canvas that she already had. Oh, she's doing black paint for this. I think this is pretty cool because typically we see this done in white, so to see it in black is something different and edgy. Oh, I love the way that this turned out. Very nice. Their color scheme is definitely my vibe, so I am into that. So we have a glove-inspired project. Oh, so they use that to make a pair of hands. That's pretty cool. Oh, and they're spray painting it gold. Wow. That is like the coolest candle holder I've ever seen. Very interesting concept here. I feel like this could be a lot of things. Like this could be a place where you put your keys, like so many ideas from that one. And then we have another kind of Z Gallery inspired design here. Whenever I see like the wooden sticks, it reminds me of Z Gallery. Oh, they're making a lamp. Wow. Okay, I thought they were making just a vase. Oh, that is very impressive. And they also made a candle holder too to go along with it. Very nice. so we have 2 old jars here being repurposed. I'm gonna guess that they are either making some type of vase. We see the flowers there in the upper right corner, or they might be making a candle holder. Oh, actually it might be a lantern. I see they're adding like a little handle here. So they're going in with like a stencil animal design. So this kind of has like a farmhouse feel to it. Oh, those are cute. Very nice. So we have kind of like a macrame design for the next one. Maybe they're making some type of wall art design. Oh, it's for the paper towels. Wow, that is a cool paper towel holder if I do say so myself. Very nice and definitely something different. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.